Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Mercedes C220 Cdi Elegance. 2002 on a 52, 115,000 miles. It's got loads and loads of MOT. It's just been serviced and it will just be MOT before it goes out. Down the line of the car. Obviously there's knocks and bangs on it, but for the age, come on. And I think it's a lovely colour combination. So there you have it. So the line of the car there, a couple of bumper scuffs. I mean, but you're going to see that. You're going to see that. So what I'll do now is I'll take you inside the car, so I'll see you in a sec. Hi, it's Phil here. So I'm back again, going to show you the inside of the car, starting with the engine bay. So it's all, well, pretty reasonable. I'd say pretty good really for the age. As you can see, it's a CDI model, 220 Cdi. Not bad for 115,000 miles, is it? Right, take you in the inside now. So as you can see, it's got electric windows back and front, electric seats. All the bolsters are good, could do with a clean, but they're not actually all that bad. Multifunction steering wheel, stereo, CD. Best bit is the automatic. As you can see, it's the elegance. All the headrests, headlining, sorry, is all good. So driver's side rear door card. As you can see, electric windows, head restraints all the way around. All the factory carpets, which is nice to see. Taking to the boot, again, all quite nice. Passenger side door card. I mean, they wear really well, don't they? They really do. You pay for what you get, I tell you. Everything seems to work on it. They come in part exchange. Electric windows, electric seats, sorry. For 115,000 mile car, it's not all that bad. So if you need any further information on the car, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.